Hi, here we have a question which says that a sheet is 11 centimeter long. You can see 11 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. Circular pieces of 0.5 centimeter in diameter are cut from it to prepare discs. Calculate the number of discs that can be prepared. Now first of all, understand that the area of the rectangular sheet can be found with the help of length into breadth. Okay, that is fine. Now you are supposed to find out how many circular discs like this can be prepared out of it. Now if you take away the only circular part, this part which has got wasted will not be calculated. Actually, that affects means what? If you are dividing this rectangle by the area of the circle, division of numbers doesn't know the shape. Okay, means is it a square, is it a circle? Numbers don't know that, so numbers will keep dividing the numerator whatever you write from the denominator what it is. Okay, so what we are supposed to do here is we are not supposed to take the area of the circle, but we are supposed to take the area of the square. So what happens here is number of, now here you can see, look, I had made it into 2 only, but it is not 2. Now if it is uh, 5 cent 0.5 here, 0.5 here, 0.5 here and 0.5 here, total becomes how much? 2 centimeter. Means in this row or in this column rather, I can fit 4 circles like this because the diameter is 0.5 is given. Like this, how many more will fit in up till 11 centimeter is the question. So what you are supposed to do is calculate area of rectangle. What it will be? Length into breadth, that is 11 into 2, that is 22 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the area of the first square in which the circle is situated. Now when I say first square in which circle is situated is the whole side. The side is what? Diameter. So diameter here it is given as diameter is equal to 0.5 is given. So this only becomes what? Side. Okay, I'll write side of square is equal to 0.5. So if side of the square is 0.5, I can find the area of the square. Now area of square is equal to 0.5. What is the formula? Side into side. So 0.5 into 0.5, you get 0.25 centimeter square. Now number of discs, number of discs only, no? Number of discs um, can be prepared is equal to area of rectangle upon area of square. Okay, so if this is so, now check it here. What we will have to do, area we have got already 22 upon 0.25. Now some of them may feel it easy to divide it with the these numbers and some of them may not. I am going to convert it into 2200 upon 25. Now you can divide, or else the way it is given, that 11 into 2 upon, you can write this 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. You can write it like that also. Okay, let me change and show you that also. It will be the same, nothing more than that. Okay, 0.5 is equal to half centimeter. So half into half that is equal to 1 by 4 centimeter square. Now while writing here, if you write it as 1 by 4 and then transpose it into the other way, that is 22 into 4 by 1, because its inverse we will take 4 by 1 will be 88 number of discs that you are going to obtain from this the rectangular sheet that is given. Okay, that's it. Here is a question. It says that the circumference of a circle is 123.2 centimeter. We need to calculate the radius, area, and if the area, the effect on area if the radius is doubled. Okay, let's look into. It is given that the circumference of the circle is 123.2 centimeter. If I have to find the radius, I need to use circumference formula, that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r you can substitute. R is supposed to be found. We have kept r as it is 123.2. Now when you transpose this, 2 into 22 are in the numerator, it will come to the denominator. 7 was in the denominator, it comes to the numerator. After cancellation, I get 19.6 centimeter as the radius. Now, area of the radius. How do we calculate the area of the radius? Area of the circle. Area of the circle will be pi r square. Pi value you know, r you know, that is 19.6, but I have kept it in fraction, that is 196 upon 10 into 196 upon 10. When you multiply all of this, this is cancels, 7 ones are and 728 is 196 even if you have found it here. So 28 over here, and here more calculations can be done by cancellation, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 11s is it, and I don't think any further cancellation is available. You will have to multiply and get the answer of this as 1207. 1207, one second, 1207, I'm rechecking for you if it is correct or not, and then you need to look at the bottom. If it is doubled, what is doubled? If the radius is doubled, so wherever radius is written, I have written is twice. Twice means what? Doubled only, no? So doubled not only once. Wherever you write r, you have to write twice r like that. So it will be what 4 times what we have got the area of the circle is. So if the radius is doubled, okay, here we will get it in point which is rounded off, and I too wrote it in a rounded form. Actually 1207.36 centimeter square will be the accurate answer, but if we have to round off, as the decimal first decimal place after the point is 3, so we have written as 1207 only. But if the same thing happens, means what we are doing here is actually only comparing when it is written r, when it is written twice r. Twice r will be what? Only 2 and 2 in the multiplication they have increased, means what? 4 times the area that you are going to get. Sorry, I wasn't aware about. So here I have written when if r is doubled, area will be equal to 22 by 7 into 2 times radius into 2 times radius, because r is doubled. Now you know that 22 by 7, 196 by 10, 196 by 10 is going to give this answer. Now what is left? 2 into 2. So I have kept 4 outside and written the same answer what we have. Means what? If radius is doubled, the area will be increased by 4 times. That's what you have to write. If the question is asked, what is the effect on the area of the circle if the radius is doubled? If the radius is doubled, area will increase 4 times. This will be your answer.